Atlanta girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that.
Hey y'all, thank you guys so much for being here and watching yet another video with me. Today I wanted to do something a little bit interesting, but also very much on par for me, if you know me. So a little bit of history behind what we're doing today. We're basically making a pine needle broom. This is just a broom that you can use, like say if you have an incense and it burns off your thing and you like to push on the floor like me to use the vacuum to clean it up, you can kind of dust it to like dust off the table, dust crumbs off, just kind of like a little household brush broom, handheld brush broom made out of Mother Nature that you can use around your house. I harvested a lot of pine needles from my previous trip, and I thought this would be a great way for me to use what I foraged. Things that you will need is pine needles and a rubber band. Let's get into it. Here is my bowl of pine needles. I was going to use some of this for tea and stuff like that, but because I let it sit for so long, it's just going, as much as I can, it's going into the broom, and I might repurpose some of the other stuff to like try to weave a basket or something. I don't know. So you're basically just taking these pine needles like this. This is all you're doing until it's big enough to make a broom. I'm just going to call it a brush because I think that's better. Mother Nature's brush. So that's what I'm going to call that. So with this, yeah, if you find it in the forest, you're just going to take it individually like this. Take as much as you need, or you could take the whole branch if you are going to be making a big brush. But just remember not to take more than you need. Mother Nature is kind to be able to give us these gifts that we can use in our daily lives, but don't be greedy. These rules translate to nature as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed this process up and be back once I got a decent sized brush. All right, so I've got to the size that I wanted with this, and now I'm just going to take my rubber band and I'm going to secure it tightly around the top, and that's literally it. All right, so there we go. This is Mother Nature's brush. I wouldn't necessarily use it for your hair, but if you're using it for like the floor, actually, I got a perfect little demonstration for you. Hold on. So this. Just the easier way to get things to where they need to be, and I'm about to vacuum this and pick up the ones that fell. But yeah, that's Mother Nature's brush. So I made two with all the pine that I had, and I can finally say that I made use to my pine needles. I am going to keep one, maybe give one away, or maybe put one on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know yet, but yes, this is Nature's broom, Nature's brush, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!